Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova haul, and I have not done a Fashion Nova haul since like 2018. It's been a minute, and I really love shopping Fashion Nova, so I was like, let's spice it up because you guys know I love my Shein hauls. I sure do. I do them all the time, but today we're gonna be doing Fashion Nova. They have some really cute pieces, and just about any website during all that's going on right now has some type of sale because they need that traffic being driven there. So you can save money on just about anybody's website because they, yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Okay, now we're gonna start. Let's start with this. This is this dress that I got here. And I would say I was super, like when I say I was excited to try this dress on, and I am highly disappointed. You guys, like, I'm 5'8", and look, let me show you guys. Watch this. If I walk too much, this dress is gonna start riding up. Like, y'all see that? Oh, let me turn around before I get demonetized. Like, I have to continuously pull this down. This dress is not meant for tall people. Like, if you are like 5'5" and shorter, knock yourself out. But honestly, I would even say shorter. Like, this dress is just, it won't stay. Like, it looks fine here, but I promise you, the more and more you walk, this dress will be all the way up here. And the reason why I was so bummed is because I was gonna pair it with these shoes that I also got from Fashion Nova. These have like the clear strap with, and it's nude, and then it has like all the straps here. This is such like, it'll be so pretty, like a cute little summer dress, but this dress unfortunately is not meant for your girl. Like, you see how it's riding up? Like, the heck? Like, I cannot wear this out. All right, so this is the next dress, and let me just say, I freaking love this dress. One, I love bandage material. Like, it literally looks so much more expensive. It just looks more, you know? And I freaking look good, girl, okay? I look good. This is perfect, like, for a beautiful date night. I love the length of it. I love mini dresses because I just feel so comfortable in them. Like, you know, like sometimes with the mini dresses, you know, they be doing too much, and then you don't want to do a maxi dress. You know, I don't want it all the way to the ground. I want a little bit of something. I got this in 2 colors. I also got it in the cream color, and oh my gosh, like, yo. All right, so this is the next dress. Actually, it's the last dress that I'm showing you guys. And this right here, when we are out of quarantine, when you are able to book your trip to Cancun, to Jamaica, to wherever you plan on going to, this right here is the dress, okay? This is, it's vacation vibes, okay? Let me say that. Like, throw on, like, you know, some cute little sandals, get you a little basket, you know, little straw bags, like the basket bags. That'll be super cute. Of course, you have to have the curly hair. Listen, if you're going on vacation at this point, you should just be vacationing with curly hair. It's like, I don't know what was wrong with me. I don't know what I was on that I was sit up here traveling with hair that I had to curl. No, curly hair. I love how flowy it is. And as you guys can see, it goes pretty far down. Like I said, I am 5'8", and this is pretty long on me. So if you're tall, well, I would say if you're like my height, you'll be good. I feel like any taller, like if I was to stand on my tippy toes, it slightly lifts just a little bit, but for the most part, it's still long. This is the back of the dress. It is very just like out there, like, ooh, this is getting me excited for summer. Yes. All right, so this is the next piece. It's this jumpsuit, and let me just say, I think this jumpsuit is very, very unflattering. Let me say something about Fashion Nova. Okay, Fashion Nova be having some cute things, but there's this one model on Fashion Nova, like, she's the one that, like, everything looks good on her. Like, literally, she's a little short one, long hair, kind of like, her lips are a little bit big. I'm not explaining it, but I'm gonna post a picture so y'all can see. Like, everything looks good on her. It's so annoying. So you think, you know, you buying it like, oh, I'm gonna be cute, I'm gonna be cute, and then you realize you're not that model. The dress did not come with that body. Yeah, you gotta deal with your own body. Okay, cool. First off, look at where it stops. I thought this was gonna be down to, like, you know, my ankles. No. Another thing that I'm not too crazy of, but you don't see it that much, thankfully, for the flaps, like, it will show a little bit of your bra, and if that's a problem, you can just go strapless, but it's just not that, like, pretty on me. I mean, maybe if I would have went a size up, or if I would lose weight, which I think sizing up is a lot easier. Y'all see like this awkward gaping here? Like that does not look good. Like this does not look cute whatsoever. All right, so this is the next piece. It's a corset actually, and I like it, and then I don't. Let me start off with the top part of this corset. I freaking love the top. Like this is something I will wear without the bottoms. It's so pretty. It's off the shoulder. It does come with something like, it's like a wrap here, but it doesn't like tie from the back. It like starts here and then you tie it. It is a little bit longer, so it kind of like goes over the pants. Now let's get to the bottoms. Yet again, because I am tall, I was deceived. So obviously when you're shopping online, things look a lot different. People look a lot taller online, but I knew this girl, the model that modeled this, was short. But like sometimes you just don't realize how short they are. Like on her, these are down here. On me, it's like right here. And I had to wear it, like I have to pull it up so that way it can sit up on me. So this is how it looks. Like overall, it's not ugly. Like I can definitely, like, you know, throw on some heels. We can make this a fit, you know what I'm saying? This is cute actually. It's a little warm. It's a little warm to be wearing this right now, but I would definitely like whip this out when it gets a little bit cooler, you know? I can't. Okay, so this is the next corset. My boobs look a little funny. This is freaking gorgeous. It is so pretty. I love the color of it. Oh my goodness, like, I look good, huh, okay? I look freaking good, just saying. So it is a two-piece set. And so you do have to tie up your own straps. This is a shirt, honestly, I would go braless with it. But the only reason why I have it on is because I don't want my nips to win. And I don't feel like putting on the little nipple pasties, because that's definitely what I would do. I would just put like a nipple pasty on, whatever, or like tape or whatever you want to use. But I don't feel like, you know, doing all of that. It's a waste because I'm not going nowhere. But visualize it without the bra. It's super cute. And I love that the pants have pockets. Y'all, this is long on me. Like I said, and again, I'm 5'8", and these are pretty long on me. This is so cute. Throw on like some cute little sandals. Oh my gosh, this is a fit. Yes, and I love the color. It's so different, you know? Everyone's really into, well, I'm gonna say everyone, me. And a lot of people are really into like those bright pops of colors, but this like kind of like old gold color is so different. Like this is definitely like a brunch piece. You could take this with you on vacation. Like this is summer, okay? So I would definitely get this one for sure. Like if you're getting out of this haul, get this. Like this is freaking cute. When people see them, like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Like where'd you get it from? You're like, you know. All right, so this is the next, this is the next outfit, and well, let me start with the top. Okay, so the top, I definitely envisioned this different. I wish this area was just a little bit more slouchier. So I probably, what size did I get in this? I'm pretty sure I got a large. Yeah, pretty much. I think for me personally, I probably should have sized up so that way I could got that more slouchier, baggier feel like on the bottom. The hands are perfect and everything, but I do not like the way this top looks. Let me see if I can restyle this, because sis, this ain't it. No, there's like no way, like, because the back is cropped. There's like no way, unless I like tuck it in here. But even then, like, you see that? Like, it's not, I don't like the top. I wish I would have got a bigger size. Let me talk about these pants, these jeans. Okay, so these jeans are freaking beautiful. Like, they are distressed the way I love the distressing, like on the bottom, like it's like distressed back here, and these are high-waisted, and these do have a very, very, very nice stretch to them. So I would say get your regular size in Fashion Nova. These have like a, wait, what is this? Oh, look freaking bomb. Ooh, Whitney, you cute. You cute, girl. I know. Listen, you gotta be your own hype man, okay? Boost your own self up. You know what I'm saying? This top not cute, but these pants are. I wanted to pair them with these heels that I got from Fashion Nova as well. These are a dupe for the Bottega Veneta. I think I said that right. those heels, and I've been wanting me a pair of those heels. Okay, everybody has it. Like literally every website at this point has these shoes. I love that square look. I wanted these shoes, but without that price point though. So Fashion Nova would do. All right, so this is, yo, I look bright. Like I just looked at this in the mirror. I was like, this top is bright, and my eyeshadow doesn't help it either. But yeah, I know this haul seems like, Whitney, are you, girl, like you got, why you got winter and summer stuff? Some of these things I've actually had for a while, I just never hauled it. So I just decided to just kind of throw it in here. So yes, this does look a little bit warm. I was just like, why not show it to you guys, you know? So anyways, it's this really pretty, like kind of like turtleneck, like jumper, but it has like a little bit of like a cutout right here, which is cute. It's a nice little detail. And the other side is just like, you know, covered or whatever. Super cute. It does have like, elastic band here, so it does kind of tighten up on you here, which I love. I love how far down the arms go. It gives that really pretty slouchy look. It can actually go a little bit lower, like y'all see that? So yeah, this, if you're tall, if you're long, this would definitely go down all the way. If you are shorter, it might be a little much. You might have to, like, you know, scoot it on back, but this looks freaking bomb. Next I got are these jeans. You guys have probably seen these jeans before. I love them. So I love that it has like a little slit right here, not too much, but it's a little something something, because sometimes I can't wear distressed jeans to like church, like all the distress is like everywhere. Gotta calm it down, I gotta scale it on back. So I love these. Woo! It's so cute. Me and my camera today have been like fighting because it will not give me the angle that I want. I feel fabulous. Okay, on to the next piece. All right, so we're back to spring appropriate clothing because that other fit was just, it was hot, but it was cute, okay? So we're back to the right season. Let me tuck this in. Let's start off with the top. I love frill. I love ruche. I love stuff like this. Looks really, really cute. And I love this color. I love that it's like that copper penny color. Really pretty. It's just different. And I paired it with these shorts that I got as well from Fashion Nova. Love it. Let me see what the back looks like. Oh, the back is cute. But yeah, you can definitely wear this with like shorts. You can wear it with like jeans, distressed jeans, however you want to do it. The top, like the handles, you do tie. So I like that because you can make them tighter, lifting it up if you want to more. It just helps you with a little bit of support. So yeah. All right, and the last thing are these shorts. Personally, I really got these shorts because they're named after me, the Whitney Bermuda shorts. This is a real case of if you have big thighs, thunder thighs, okay, like, I'm gonna put a picture of what it's supposed to look like. But if you got big thighs like me, this is what it's gonna look like on you. Like it looked a lot different on her. But it's still cute. Most def still cute. I love these shorts. So pretty. I love how ripped it is, like, oh, why are you hanging? Oh. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of fun filming these clothing hauls. They do take a while, but I do have a lot of fun filming them. So yet again, if you guys are not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel, okay? Might as well, it's free. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because I am pretty active over there. You know, if you want to keep up with me, if you want to connect with me, you know, I'm Shane. That is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.